Welcome to Proofpoint's August 2026 Global Threat Insights Report, where our threat intelligence team breaks down the biggest campaigns blocked for customers, what they looked like, and how to stay protected. And in the next minute, you'll get a concise view of the threats that stood out most this month. Across 4 major threats in August 2026, 3 patterns stood out. Ransomware returned to email as a direct delivery method, established threat groups expanded into new regions, and financial fraud kept exploiting compromised infrastructure and trusted relationships. And those patterns connect campaigns that range from invoice fraud to inbox-delivered ransomware and credential phishing against financial brands. First, TA4903 ran an invoice fraud campaign impersonating a food industry vendor. Using compromised accounts and benign conversation techniques, the group worked to redirect payments by making the request feel like part of a normal business exchange. Next, we're looking at ransomware returning to the inbox through 2 campaigns. One impersonated U.S. government agencies to deliver mafia ransomware, while another used the 4PX botnet to distribute global group ransomware through zip and LNK attachments. The third threat comes from TA4922, a Chinese-speaking group that expanded into the UAE and the wider Middle East for the first time, impersonating the UAE Federal Tax Authority and using DLL sideloading to deliver value rat. And finally, after a quiet July, TA2730 surged back by targeting financial institutions like Comsec and interactive brokers with credential phishing designed to bypass MFA. To get the full breakdown and recommendations for each campaign, download the full Global Threat Insights report, which can be found in the description of this video. You can also talk to your account team to get tailored recommendations. See you next month.